Hello guys! Back with a weird video. What is new? It is summer, obviously.
Duh.
Most people are getting really tan in the summertime, but today I want to take it to the next level. So I saw this challenge going around on YouTube where people mix things together and then they try it. Like I've seen people buy every cereal in the grocery store, mix it together and then try it. I've also seen alcohol, lipstick, foundation, all of that stuff. YouTubers are so weird now that I think about it. Like, what are we doing? I was trying to think of something that has something to do with summer plus this challenge, and all I could think of was self-tanning lotion. We're gonna be going to some stores and buying every self-tanning lotion that we see and then mixing it together. I'm gonna put it on and then we're gonna see what the result is after a couple hours. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's probably gonna last for like a week. I'm probably gonna look crazy. My guess is I'm probably gonna look like an Oompa Loompa, or you know how like bodybuilders get like 5 spray tans before they have a competition? I feel like that's what I'm gonna look like, minus the muscles. I'm doing it for you guys. You know, it's okay. So yeah, be sure to subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just that little bell thing, so definitely click her. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. It's just at Krazyrayray, so do that. I'm gonna stop talking so much and now let's go to the stores.
I've got the time.
Oh, I didn't get a basket.
Do we need one really? Yeah, we do.
Wow, rookie mistake.
What's all about?
Which one, multi-action or gentle whitening? Oh, I need deodorant. I thought they were gonna have a lot more spray tanning stuff, but they literally have like 2, 3, not a lot. So we're gonna go to Target and then we might go to Walgreens to get a couple more. So this, is there literally like only one? Because this is moisturizer. What?
How do you feel? Defeated.
I thought there was gonna be like 20 different spray tan things. There's one. Okay, I was really thinking that we were gonna fill the whole cart up with spray tan stuff, but 1. Okay, we're in luck and we found the second one. Just 2.
What's 9 plus 10?
Okay, so far we spent $16. Now we're going to Target. Now we are at Target and hopefully they have more than Walmart or we're gonna be out of luck. We're in luck, we found some. What is this? It's clear. I thought there was gonna be like 50. Self-tanning mousse. 3. What is this? 4. Why is that?
Whoa.
Guys, why is this $19? 45. We finally got some. Third and final store is Ulta.
Is that it?
That's it.
Show my love what's all about.
We hit the mother load.
Why is that $45? Never mind.
Nice.
Oh my gosh.
What's going through your head?
It's so expensive.
We are at Ulta.
So what should I do? This one takes 3 days. Takes 3 days to get the full result. We don't have 3 days.
We gotta
copyright it. Okay, so we have one from Ulta because I didn't want to spend like $1 million. Because all of them were like $30 each and I probably would spend like $500 and I'm not that committed. Now I want to go to KFC and get that Cheeto burger. So you'll see that.
Why are we here?
I've seen so many YouTubers mukbang this burger and I just really need to try it. I just want one bite and then I'm good. Hi, can I get the Cheeto sandwich?
I'm sorry, we don't have that anymore.
That is so stupid. I'm so upset. I'm literally going backwards in the drive-thru. Oh my god. Okay, that's so stupid. I'm so mad. Wow.
Just go to a different KFC.
I'm like acting like this is the only
She's like,
one
no.
in Washington. Why is it so dark? There we go. I was trying to make it look cool. Okay. That wasn't that cool. We have all of our spray tanning lotions, mousses, and sprays. I think I spent like $100 on these. What a waste, okay. Thumbs this video up. I would have got more, but there was literally not that many at Target and Walmart. I don't know why. I think this is pretty good though. We need to get prepared. Oh my gosh.
A red. Oh.
Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Was that cool? My little circle.
I look like Ace Ventura in my house.
Ace Ventura. We have our bowl where we're gonna put all of our spray tanning lotion in. Not really sure why I'm wearing white right now. I just thought of that. First one is the L'Oreal Sublime Bronze. it's like sparkly. Next one is self-tanning firming daily moisturizer, fair to medium. This is by the brand Up and Up. Oh. Neutrogena Build a Tan Banana Boat Summer Color Self-Tanning Lotion. A lot of them are just white. The next one is the St. Moritz Jergens Natural Glow Instant Sun. But I guess we'll just like spray a couple. The last one that we're gonna be using is Tannologist Express Tan in Dark. Okay. Intense. Okay, it looks like brownie mix. Okay, so I guess let's start the application process. Should I like stand up for this? Let's do my right leg first. Oh my god, what do I do? It's like really watery. Oh, I did the wrong side. This is the exfoliating side. I didn't shave. I'm so stupid. I mean, I already look so tan. Oh my god. I feel like I need to like stand up.
Compare the difference real fast. Look at that. Look at those quads. Oh my god.
This is one leg done. Okay, next leg. Jeez, oh my god, I'm making a mess. Damn. Now on to my arms. Oh. Ew, it's so sticky. You just touched me and you can see the mark. I feel so sticky. I did the parts that I can show. I'm gonna like take this off and do my stomach and stuff and my chest and all that. So I will be back. I literally feel so sticky and gross. I want to take a shower so bad. But I'm gonna update you guys every hour to see how tan we get. This is what my like normal spray tan looks like, minus like it being really splotchy. But also look at my nails. They're like disgusting. There's like spray tan under my nails. We're gonna go to KFC because I want that sandwich. So let's go. We're on our way to KFC and we're 15 minutes away.
15-minute drive. In Seattle traffic.
I just need to try it right now. I put a towel down so I don't get my car dirty. I don't look that tan right now. Do I?
Your seatbelt.
Oh. Hi, can I get the Cheeto sandwich? No, that's it. Yeah!
Yeah, right.
So happy. Look at the packaging.
Ew, that smells.
It kind of does stink a little bit.
That looks gross.
Just threw on some Cheetos real quick.
Ew.
Ew, is that the sauce?
I'm upset.
Ready? Oh my god, look how much sauce is on the bottom.
This is not getting better.
Just taste the chicken. And the Cheeto. I don't even think so. Okay, you have to try it. You have to. I literally have Cheeto sauce in my lip gloss. Do it. It's like weird. It was a good concept though. It's like kind of splotchy. It doesn't look that bad. It's only been like 30 minutes. It takes like 1 to 4 hours for all of them to show up. This is 1 hour later. I just realized I made such a mess. Right here, my pants looking very splotchy. I really messed up right there. It honestly doesn't look too bad right now. It like creased right here. Here's a better view after an hour. Nico! My chest looks so bad. Is that how you do it? It's Hi guys, so it's been about 2.5 hours. We still have like 2 more to go. Honestly, not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I actually changed because it made such a mess on my clothes. Can you guys see that difference? That is what my stomach looks like. I don't think it looks that bad. It's been 3 hours and I feel like I look very tan, but it's not like super crazy. Maybe I'm just used to getting like dark spray tans, but I don't know. Oh, you can see the trash can. Should I move that? Probably. Okay. Sorry if the wind is messing up the audio. It is officially 4 hours later. I feel like I don't look that bad. I'm confused. My hands don't look the best and I have like creases in my arm. I definitely missed a spot. What did I do to my ankle? I'm really confused because I thought it was gonna be a lot worse. Also, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with the rest of this. I feel like there wasn't that big of a reveal and I'm kind of upset about it. Comment below letting me know if there's any other things you guys want me to mix and then try out, because I definitely want to do more of these. I had so much fun. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just a little bell thing, so clicker. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!